when will prices go down to 2018 levels? And today we're going to talk about this segment of the market, which is the apartments in a specific area. And what we're going to look at three different areas: Vancouver West, which includes downtown, Coquitlam, and Burnaby. And I actually just did this same video for one of our clients that one of my team members is talking to. And this is called a Stat Center. It's a tool that realtors have, which I'd love to show you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say max. I don't want it to be. This particular software only goes down to 2005, but I actually have data dating back 42 years. But for the sake of this, we can go monthly or whatever, but we should go rolling. It just looks better. But anyways, but I want to show you guys something. So in terms of 2005, the average condo price was in Vancouver, or the entire GVR, which is the Greater Vancouver Real Estate Board, was $214,000. Now that's fine. In Burnaby, it was $211. In Coquitlam, it was $177. In Vancouver West, so again, all of that's like Yaletown, Claw Harbor, things like that, $257. So pretty nice. Now let's go look at some events that happened. I got started around this time. It's a pretty flat market, as you can see. So the problem is, people talk to me all the time like, oh, I don't want to make a mistake. I don't want to make a mistake. And I completely respect that. Nobody wants to lose money and whatnot. But what I would ask you is, you will make a mistake. It's kind of like buying a stock at the right time or the wrong time. We don't know. I don't want to speculate, but I will share this. Look at this. Let's say you bought it in 2013, 2014. Nothing happened if you went from 2013, 14. I mean, you didn't really make anything. It's pretty much the same, virtually unchanged. Same thing here. Again, this is a pretty flat market. Nothing happened, right? Then boom, this happened. And 2015 hit, and then now starts to go up, goes bananas, and then something happened in July. I think 2017, August to be exact, which was the foreign buyer tax, which was initially 15%. Believe it or not, the market kept going up until the next year. And then it started to cool down, which is completely okay. And then it cooled down, I would say, until about 2020, like in the beginning. But look at this. GVR, January 2020, which is the beginning of, beginning of COVID. It didn't do anything crazy. Didn't go bananas or whatever. Even this, during the pandemic, you didn't see it go down to this level, right? Same thing here. 2023, where interest rates were 7%. Again, we don't see this aggressive decline that everybody and their grandmother keeps talking about. We don't see it. And I'm going to share something else that everybody should be aware of. And there's something called sales to active ratio. Also, some realtors will refer to it as absorption rate. And what does that mean? All that means is for every 100 homes that are on the market, how many are actually being bought? How many are being bought right now? So again, we'll go to this here. Apparently right now it's 13%, 14%. This is a buyer's market, but it's not like 8% or 7% or 6%. It's basically a balanced market. It's 15 to 20%, just fine. Okay, so it's not like anything crazy. And again, look at this. At the height of the market, it was 64%, 46%. That means out of 100 homes or condos, of them are selling within a 30-day period. Look, Coquitlam was 69%. It's crazy bananas. Okay, so look at this, man. Again, if you look at this, just look at it, you're going to see that, yes, this is not attractive in terms of a market. Go back to HPI. Prices are prices. I get it, right? In West Vancouver, 790 something. At the height of the market, let's say here, 841. And I'll do something else here, just monthly, so you can see the statistics a little bit more accurately. 790. Okay, where's the height? The height is here. Okay, yes, it went down 100%, sure, 100%. But I just want to be clear. At any of these points, even here, this is supposedly January 2023. It never went back to these levels. Like, look at this, 719, 715. Sorry for like Vancouver West. You see, 714. Okay, did it go back to this level? No, it did not. So the peaks are peaking. I get that. And every time there's a peak, the next peak is bigger than the last peak, right? You don't see these big, I don't know if I'm making any sense because, but I just want to be clear, man. The dips don't go back. You don't see anybody selling houses or condos right now for 297 or 214, do you? No, because once the market goes up, it goes up. This is the new norm. People now have mortgages for those properties. So, you know, so I'm not sure if this is useful at all, but I just want to make, I'm logical. I don't get, confused by things that are emotional, to be honest with you, as much as I believe that, yes, the market is tough. I get it. But it seems like for every 100 homes, there's 15 people out there looking, 14 people out there looking. So it's not like it's completely shut down. Like people are buying and or selling. Okay. I'll go back here. Again, look at this, 15% looks like. And yes, in the beginning, this is why I'm pretty confident of this. I'll show you January, look at this, it was 9%. Now we're in 15. It's good, it's not, I don't want it to be this crazy. This is not healthy, this sucks, trust me. Because people do silly things when that happens, okay? So I hope, I'm not sure if this is it, but I want to know from you, how are you gonna know when the market is rebounding? Okay, because I promise you, once it rebounds, like realtors, buyers are the last people to usually find out if the market is doing better or not. That's the truth, man. That's the truth. So how are you going to know when the market is rebounding? Supposedly, you're going to have some instincts or figure out, maybe have you're a fortune teller. I don't know. But if you do, please call me because I want the winning lottery numbers. I'm being serious. Okay. My name is Hani Faraj with REMAX Crest. I would love to be your guide for the next journey of buying or selling. And one of my realtors or myself can actually help you. But I just want to be very transparent. Please don't get sucked into the hype and the media and all that crap because they're often very wrong. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.